class, download this Blender kit, go to search Blender kit, then do this Blender kit, search this one. Okay. Okay, then you have a button that you download the Blender kit. You download the Blender kit, download this one. Okay, don't unzip it, don't unzip it. Okay, just leave it as a zip file. Just leave it as a zip folder. So you download. Okay, then continue. Once you download already, okay, so this one, not yet. Okay. But say done already, but cannot. Okay, go to your download folder. Okay, now this is your Blender kit, right? Don't unzip it, don't unzip. So you go to your Blender, okay? Go to your Blender and go to Edit Preference, and then get extension. You will see, okay, can you see this button? Goes to get attention and goes to this button. You see install from this. Okay, install from this, you select your Blender kit. So where is your Blender kit? Blender kit. I didn't see my Blender kit. Okay, so this is your Blender kit, right? So you select your Blender kit, okay, and install from this. Install from this. Okay, so you wait until he finish installing. So you can go to check your add-on here. So you will see your Blender kit is here. So Blender kit online asset library. Okay, so if you have this already, you see you must make sure that you have checked. But normally when you do installation, it automatically check already. So if your computers cannot automatically refresh, you need to close your Blender and open again. Okay, for those nothings, right, you can press N, okay, to open the Blender kit. You can see it here. Some of you automatically come out this one already. Can you see the Blender here? Then you can search the item here. So for example, you want bottles, right? Bottles. So you can search for your bottle. Is it my spelling wrong? Oh, T-E-L-L-E, right? Okay. So you search for the bottles. Then you can download lah. So this is the bottle example. If you see log 1 means that you need to pay lah. Okay, you need to pay. You need to give money lah. But the money one actually he per month one. So if you paid already, you can download multiple. So it's very work for it lah. Okay, it's very work. Preference. Okay, I repeat. Go edit preference. Get extension. Okay, this one drop down. Okay, install from this. Then you press N. You press N. This one N. You press N to on the Blender kit. So you will see it here, Blender kit here. And then you can search bar is over here. You can search material, you can search models, and so on. Okay, so we search for model. So bottle, so you can have the bottles. Okay.